hear the difference right there, and I wasn't even going very fast. Okay, another stop. Oh my God. That sounds awesome. Sounds awesome. And it's starting to rain. At least we got that done before it started to rain. Now it's just started raining, and I'm glad that I got that done before the rain started pouring. So I'm gonna finish this off in the car. A little bouncy because I'm holding it by hand, but you know, I love it. It sounds absolutely incredible, and from videotaping and moving the camera around, you know, it probably took me 30-35 minutes. Not very long to do at all. Sorry about the lighting. Like I said, it's a little dark over here because it's starting to rain, but I'm telling you, for the $457 I paid for the kit and the filter, it's awesome. It just sounds beautiful. And then that supercharger whine is just something else. Thank you, Bwoody, for getting this to me about a week later than you said you would. I got a hold of it. I ordered it on Monday. They told me they weren't getting them in till the end of the week, and it is now Thursday, and I've got it in. And it just sounds absolutely phenomenal. I am so ecstatic with the way it sounds. That beeping is the parking sensors telling me they can't do their job because I'm going backwards too fast. So, but yeah. But awesome. Let's see if I can get this into the garage before it starts pouring. But yeah, I couldn't be happier. Gotta love backup sensors. So, in conclusion, I love it. It came out awesome. It was very quick, very easy to install. Directions are mostly straightforward, except for the map sensor. It didn't really say where that was, so I sort of had to look at the black and white picture and sort of try to figure out where it went. But again, I'm happy. That supercharger whine is incredible. I hope this helped you guys out. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, let me know. I'll do my best. Any questions, comments, please post them in the comments section below. As always, I'd like to thank you for joining me. Subscribe if you can. I'd like to make the channel grow. And as always, be well, stay safe.